Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy holidays to you all. All right, so it's been a minute since I've been able to come out here and make a video. So tonight I'm going to be giving you guys an update on this Peterbilt 359. I haven't, my schedule been tight, so I haven't had enough lot of time to come out here. So I normally do about 2 hours a night. Come out here and piece it together. This truck has really been going together well. There's no wrong way to put the parts on because um, each part is made to fit whatever it's supposed to go on. So you really can't go wrong, and it has detailed instructions. The only problem I've had so far was making the doors and the hinges fit right. Um, I had a little problem with that. They will open and close right now, but I think I'm gonna leave them closed. Being I had to, excuse me, like I said, I had a hard time putting the doors and hinges on, but they end up getting scratched up here. So I got to repaint it. I got to touch that up where you see the little white at. I'm going to repaint it and put a little bit of clear right there. Use a hand brush. Um, Other than that, everything fits together quite well. I still have tons of pieces over here I have to put together. I got uh, a chrome tree and a half. I still have stuff on. Um, and it's simply because I don't know. I'm not familiar with the kit, so I don't know. It's not like I'm doing a regular 125th, 124th scale car because those parts. You pretty much know exactly where they go, what color you want to paint them. On this truck, got so many different little pieces. Um, so you really don't know unless you've been dealing with these trucks and you know what part goes where. Even though it has instructions, but you know what you got to have a plan for each part. You got to say, okay, I want to paint this. I want to leave this black. I want to paint this color to go with this. So each part, you have to know exactly what you want to do with it. And in my case, I didn't know. I'm just going. I'm just going by the instructions. But it's been coming together really well. Like I said, the only problem I had is with the doors. I have to add some wiring to the engine because it has two wires here, and it's supposed to have two wires on the other side. So I have to add that. Uh, I have to add that in there. Other than that, it's been going together pretty good. I've been seeing other videos on people building this model, and man, they knocked it out the park. Um, So I don't know. I think I said this in one of my videos. I think it was the unboxing video. This truck is being built in memory of my uncle. He used to drive trucks. And he's a real big Saints fan. So to all my Saints fan, so I was able to do uh, a Saints wall decor for the back wall. I was able to do a Saints bedspread with a Saints pillow and an entry rug. So uh, I'm trying to see if I'm going to add another Saints logo to the outside. I don't know yet. Like I say, I'm just doing stuff as I go. I'm ready to get it over with, get off the table so I can move to something else though, because I have that convertible Plymouth. I'm going to build it. That's going to be my next. I've been the Plymouth GTX. I've been wanting to build it, but I didn't know what color I wanted to go. Because the tire they had red strip tires, so I was trying to figure out what color. At first, I was thinking about the box art, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to do that. I want to do another color. So now I have a color in mind, so that'll be my next project. And I'm also working on another project that I'm building for somebody too. So I just wanted to come out here and give you guys an update on what I had going on. Um, Hopefully, after the holidays, my content will be more consistent. Um, I have to add some some wash to the grill on there, and I want to use these gold stripes to put on it. I hate that it has a red strip around it, but it shouldn't matter. It's gonna look pretty good still for what I'm trying to do with it. I'm going to case it and put it up in the house. Probably, I'm not going to leave it out here. It's going to go in the house. Thank you through doing all the custom stuff to it I want to do. Um, like I say, it's a nice kit. If you've been wanting to, build a truck, I would recommend you getting this Revell 359 kit. Uh, like I say, everything goes together. Everything, you cannot put the parts on wrong because everything has a slot part. But every small part has a fitting. You cannot put stuff on here wrong. So now you might have to do a little sanding or something like that in order for it to fit right. But all the parts go together. You can't go wrong. I'm to the engine, to the chassis. You can't go wrong with that. So yeah. So all right, y'all. That's it. And that's all. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try to upload another video soon. As soon as I'm done with this, hopefully I can try to finish this week. If not, it'll definitely be after Christmas. And I gotta show y'all some stuff. I'm behind on work. I have to repair some models in my display case because a shelf fell on it and knocked out a window, knocked loose the grill. So I gotta go. I gotta go fix that stuff. So, and then I gotta show y'all my latest Ollie's haul. I got a kit that I won at a meeting. I got another one that I think I posted them on here already, but I gotta show y'all. I gotta give y'all a video of it. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned. And like I say, happy holidays to you all. And I gotta show y'all what I bought myself for my birthday too. My birthday is on Christmas, so I gotta show y'all what I bought for my birthday for myself. And I might hang on to it. But I'm gonna show y'all once I get my hands on it. So all right, y'all. That's it and that's all. Y'all have a good night. See you next time. I'm out.